good. That's fine. I don't know how it starts. Hi, one person, 25. Okay, hi. I'm just waiting for the. Hello, hi, hi, good evening. Hi. Oh, 980, okay. Oh. Hello, good evening, everybody. Hi. Hello, hi. My hair is showing. Hi. Hello. Happy Holi. Happy Holi to you too. Uh, hi. Say hi. Hi, Ravi Kumar. Hi, hi. How is- Oh, she's the cutest. Oh, I'm happy. That's nice. Hi, I'm good. How are you? Okay. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಎಂಚ Good. All the best for your future movies. Thank you. Hi, I'm just waiting. Okay. So hi everybody. Good evening. Happy Holi. Sorry, nimna Holi dina disturb ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಹೋಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಲೈವ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರೀ 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈವಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗ. ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಹಾಯ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟರ್. ಓ, ಹೌ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. Okay, I really don't know what to say. Hi, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಡೀತಿದೆ? I so wish I could do a live chat with you right now. I love you ಕನ್ನಡ. ಇನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲೀರಿ. ಕಿರಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಕಿರಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ಹೋಲಿ ತಾನೇ ಇವಾಗ ನಿನಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿವೇಸ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿರಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮೂವಿನ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಇವತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಓ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು. ನನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಂಡ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ತುಂಬ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪುನೀತ್ ಸರ್. ತುಂಬ humble person he is. Very nice person, very humble, very down to earth. ಅದು ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾ, your ಕನ್ನಡ is going good. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Why can't you put bindi on your forehead? You look too good re. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸಾರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಪಿಂಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಶ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಹ್, ಯಶ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯೋಚನೆನೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೆ. ಹಾಯ್ ರಶ್ಮಿ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಓಹ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಹಾಂ, ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ ದಟ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಸಾರಿ, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ವಿಟರ್ ನಾನು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಓದಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓದಿದ ಯುನೋ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. But I'm so sorry I can't reply to that. So sorry and thank you. Rashmika, your smile is very cute. I die for your smile. Oh, sweet. I'm so sorry. Okay. Come to Anjani Putra shooting, hoping to see you but couldn't see. I'm so sorry. Next time bandre naan alli irtini. Hi madam, love you so much. Can you call my name? Naveen, hi. ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಮೂವಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋ ಕ್ವಶನ ಸರ್. ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಸರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಯಶ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪಕ್ಕ. All the best for your movies. Waiting for Anjani Putra movie. Thank you. Anjani Putra shooting super ಆಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಹರ್ಷ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪುನೀತ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಅ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. I really love the experience. So I think even I'm hoping for the movie to come out soon. I'm not understanding, but ಏನೋ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸಾರಿ. You're so cute. Thank you. Super. Thank you. So yes, ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಳಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮಂಡ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ತುಂಬ I don't know, they showed me a lot of love. Thank you so much, Mandya. So yeah, for now. Hi, love you, Sanvi. Thank you. Without Chashma, I look very different. I don't know what to say to that, but thank you. Kindly change your hairstyle once, just for once. I don't know how to change. I just left my hair, so it's kind of messed up. Sanvi, like you. I came into the industry too late. Ayyo, I don't know what to say to that. You speak Kannada well. Don't be sorry for everything. You're doing great. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೇ. ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೇದಾಂತ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ all of you. All the very best ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ. All of you, please do well. I don't know, just exams ಅಲ್ಲಿ if you keep backlog, it's not very good. So be Sanvi in that. Do really well. Okay. ನಿಮ್ಮ spectacles ನಾನು ಮಾರಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನನ್ನ I don't know. That's the thing which I got from Kirik Party. So no. Just trying to say nimge Kannada sweet. Thank you, Aki. I love you so much. Oh, thank you, Abhi. 2 days back, but bad luck didn't meet you. I'm so sorry. How sweet. Thank you so much. Best wishes for your new project. Thank you so much. Oh, shooting snaps. I don't know. I will. ನಾನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನನಗೂ ಇವಾಗಲೂ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪು ಇಲ್ಲ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮಿಂದ. ಬಟ್ I'll take a selfie with the crew and I'll post it as soon as possible. You acting in movie else except Anjani Putra? ನನ್ನ next film is Chamak with Ganesh sir and Suni sir's direction. So yes, that adu next month in the start agutte. Would you like to meet one? So what needs to be done for that? Oh, Naveen, I really don't know. I hope to meet you too soon, someday. Have you signed a movie with Sudeep sir? No. Sad. No. What makes you come to the movie industry and which is the difficult situation you faced? ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರಲಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಮೇನ್ ಮೋಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. I don't know, I just felt film industry was the best way to do it. And the most difficult situation that I've faced is Nothing so far. I think exams. Exams. Not even kidding. Many people miss you a lot with Kirikpati. Oh. Which name would you prefer calling you? Anything. ಸಾನ್ವಿ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಾಶ್ಮಿಕಾ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಾನ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಸಾನ್ವಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚಮಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂಜಲಿ ಪುತ್ರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಲವ್ ಯು ಸಾನ್ವಿ. ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮೂವಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಯಾರು? ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಐಮ್ ಸಾರಿ. ವೆನ್ ಶಲ್ ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ ರಾಮಾಯ? ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು. ಶೂಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನನಗೆ ಶೂಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಐ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ completing my studies. So I'll probably be doing my exams. A hall ticket sigakke hogbeku. Next week I think I'll be getting my hall tickets or something. I don't know. But yes, that one. Please come to. I want to see all your fans. I love you so much. I will come one day. Your Kannada is so lovely. Thank you. Try ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Congratulations on IFA nomination. Hope you win. How does it feel? I feel so nice. Yakendre, the ladies who are, the girls who are nominated with me, I admire our work. Tumba admire ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So I feel so happy just by being nominated. So thank you so much. ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ನಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ನಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಮೂವೀಸ್? I don't know. I think I don't know. There are a lot of people who who are a reason for me to join the film industry. But yes, the cutest actress in Kannada industry. Thank you for your wishes. Hello, how are you? Happy Holi. All the best for Anjani Putra. Thank you. I couldn't watch Kirikpati as I'm staying in Punjab. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, when you come down to Bangalore, probably you could watch it. Happy Holi. Sudeep Jyothe movie call sheet bandre ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಒನ್ ಡೇ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್. Oh, you're a fan of Sam. That is amazing. Really happy. Waiting for Upper Boss and your come. Thank you. We're looking for your next movie. Love you so much. Thank you. Did you act Collywood? No, I haven't. I want to. That'll be nice. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much. I love you guys too. My daughter is 10 months. She likes you so much. Her Booey. Hi, Booey. Very nice. Your favorite actor? I don't know. I like a lot of actors. Our role ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ justice ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So I like one actor in one role. I can't come across who's my best actor. Everyone are so good. You have any chance in Bollywood film industry or any reality shows? I don't want to talk about it. How is Anjali Putra shooting going? Oh, it's going brilliant. So today was Sunday. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ I just came. But yes, it's going on full bang. And yes, it is going very well. Thank you. Happy Holi. Colors with smiles and happiness. Thank you. Okay, you want me to come with specs the next time? Done. You're so pretty and congratulations for IFA nomination. Thank you. Your episode jothe in one movie ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು because episode. Thank you. Definitely ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. Can you just keep 2 feet distance from me? Like this? Or should I ask one of them to hold it? I don't know. Please share your best moments with us. Sing a song which is your... Yeah. Singing ella bedappa. I really don't want to sing in this karkasha swara. My nephew, he is 5 years old. He's addicted to Belagit the song. How sweet. Thank you. I love you, Rashmika. You're looking fabulous in your Kannada. Love you so much listening to your words. Thank you. With whom you want to act? You're eagerly waiting to act with someone? Definitely everyone. I'm not even kidding. More than acting or anything else, I want to know what kind of people they are. Like, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ I want to know what kind of people, their perspective, the perspection of everything around them. I want to see, I want to know, I'm curious. So, I think, yeah. Okay, so, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವ you keep asking me a lot of questions, but I would like to show you my family, if that's okay. Okay, just hold on 1 second. They're running away. Okay, wait. Okay, 1 second. This is my mom.
Hi.
This is my mom. Everyone calls her Sanvi, like the older version of Sanvi, because of her, even she wears specs. So, yeah, that is her. My dad is inside. So, and my sister is sleeping. So, yes. Congratulations on your project with Punit. So, and when you coming to? I'll come to soon. Like, if someone gets me there, I'll come for a holiday maybe to Munich. Madam challenging start the quiz. Putting on my knees. I will ask Harsha sir, and I'll let you know. Vishwanath. Thank you for replying to my sketch, which was sent by... Oh, it was you, Deepthi Umesh. Thank you so much. That was very nice, very sweet of you. Thank you so much. Yeah. We love you always. Thank you so much. Oh, someone says hi, auntie. Huh, and she says hi. To Kirik Pati, I love you so much to watching Kannada films. Thank you. You smile so good, Sanvi. Really, you had a great... You have a great future. Thank you. Smile ge hudugar heart na melt agogide. Cute smile. I'm a big fan of you. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry. I'm holding this camera really close because I have to read the comments. Can you just wave your hand and say hi with my name? Hi, Pooja. When would you be back to my car? Hey! Oh, ma'am, I'll be back to my car as soon as I can. I'll probably come for a visit maybe once. Someone says, on the same, Shashikant says, Auntie, I love your daughter. Oh, sweet. Hi, Kirik Party film super. Darshan sir jothe film ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Actually, dates ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ problem ಆಗಿದೆ, but yes, definitely once. Sanvi looking forward with stylist Allu Arjun on screen. Thank you, Santu. Nice eyes. You are the first person who says nice eyes and not nice specs. Thank you. Sent around 80 to 90 tweets, but didn't get a reply. See, that's what I said. I probably would have read your tweet, but I couldn't have replied. So I'm extremely sorry about that, but please forgive. ನಾನು actually I don't like texting, okay, but ನೀವು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರ ಅಂತ I sit and text, so I am so sorry if I've hurt anyone, but I do read all your messages, and thank you so much for all the love. Yeah. Thank you so much. Please Kannada. Oh, ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ನ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅದು ಪಕ್ಕ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಸಾರಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್. If Premam is made in Kannada, which of the 3 female leads would you prefer? I don't know. I'm not that big to, pull in actors like that, yeah? You do a film with... Yes, sir. I will. One day. I hope. Hi, auntie. You are lucky to have such a cute and talented daughter. Nijwaglu. Seriously? I should say thank you to her for looking after me so well. You have very nice eyes, especially it looks so good with shades. If you wear shades, how can you see the eyes, pa? Appa? Sami? Hi, Sanvi. I respect you a lot for your simplicity. Hope you say a hi. Hi, Imran. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Hi, Rashmika. Please, please, please. Shout out to your movie and team. I will. Pinky promise. Aw, hearts. Raghav, really sweet of you. Thank you so much. Ashtu time tagdu, Ashtu you take so much time and you sketch, do a sketch of us. It means so much to me. I've I don't know ಎಲ್ಲ sketch ನೋಡಿದನ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, but I have tried getting in all the sketches. I think I have gallery filled with sketches. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, but I hope I get it on my hand one day because I keep saving it. I have like two to three sketches here. Where's your specs, ma'am? It's inside. Doing film with Darshan boss. I would love to. That is one of my wishes. Where's your chashma? It's inside. Don't ask. Next time, chashma. Pinky promise. Hi, love your beautiful smile. Thank you. Haha, what an acting skill you have. Future sandalwood queen. Feature or future? Haha, look at you. Your voice is pretty good. Thank you. You and Yush would be a perfect pair on screen. Yes, thank you. I hope one day I do get to work with yes sir and all of that. Love you, Rashmika. Thank you. Next movie, Yavaga Sudeep ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮೂವಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೀಡ್ ಮೈ ಕಮೆಂಟ್. ಬಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ವಿಶಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. And yes, all the ladies out there, belated Women's Day wishes. Thank you so much for reminding me. And yes, I don't know, should I go? Am I boring you? Or I don't know what to do. Hi Bharat. Telugu movies, waiting. If you want to come and act in Telugu, with whom would... Oh, I would love to act with all the stars, yeah? I mean, story chanagidre, I would love to work with anyone. Namaskara. Namaskara, Kirikpati was a blast. What's next? We're waiting eagerly. As most of you know, Anjani Putra is next, and then Chamak is next, and the third film, probably all the discussions are happening, so nangenu gottilla, and my mom yella handle madodu, so you should probably ask her one day. Look like people, Sanvi with Chashma more than... Aww. Varunacharya, you look very cute without specs. Thank you. I think you're the second person who said that now. Thank you. You should be next model. Yeah, what next? Hi ma'am, you're damn cute. Big thanks to your parents because of you. Yes. Thanks to them for looking after me so well all these days. And now I hope I can, I don't know, do the same thing to them, like, looking... Okay, Sanvi madam, coffee ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I was very tired getting back from Mandya, so we kind of slept off. But then ನನ್ನ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಬಂದು ಕರೆದು, you have to go live at 5 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. So I'm awake and, being live right now. I'm so sorry, am I boring you? Good evening, we love your acting and wish to see you in upcoming movies. Please don't go. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. Can you please tell about ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಹೀಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ? It's very nice. The experience is being brilliant. I thanks Appu sir, I mean Puneet sir so much. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I don't know. He's a brilliant person by heart. So I am very lucky to be acting with such a amazing person, and Harsha sir too. He's very nice. I'm a big fan of Ganesh. I know you're acting. All the very best. I love you so much. Thank you. Already you did 2-3 films in Kannada, so you didn't. Sorry Vinayak, Kirik Party was my first film. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ yes, comparatively even I think I've kind of improved in Kannada, so I am very proud of myself. I'm very happy and sorry if you didn't like it. Hi Sanvi, can you please say a hi to me? Hi Anirudh. Ma'am, wishes from your side, be successful in life. Thank you. You don't know what to ask, Nazim? Okay, okay. I'm boring you too much, so I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for patiently looking at me talk. I don't know if I made any sense, but thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Ellaru message ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, but I don't know. Thank you. You look so traditional. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is from the festival. I mean the function. Now my thumb is getting pain by sending you heart smileys. Oh, sorry Tahir. Okay. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಪೇಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹಾಯ್. ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಐಲ್ ಲೀವ್ ಯು ಆಫ್ ದ ಹುಕ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೋರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಸಾರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲವ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಇವತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಐ ಕೀಪ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯು ಎಟ್ ಎನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. Thank you. Yeah, so thank you all of you and much love to you and your families too. Take care. Have a nice day.